Hello, in this video I will show you how to insert SIM into Google Pixel 8. So to insert SIM into this device you will need something like this, like this pin, and now you will have to put this pin into this little hole and press down, and that's your SIM tray. And now you have to put your SIM card on this SIM tray. And now you have to put your SIM tray back into your smartphone. And now your SIM should work. Yes, as you can see here at the top, I have now network range. So that is for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.